I'm cooking up some bacon because two of my biggest fans, Bella and Mia, hi Bella and Mia, have sent me in an awesome toasted sandwich recipe that I just could not refuse to make. It sounds a little bit but they guarantee me that it's one of the best toasted sandwiches that we'll ever have. And it's using my favourite food in the world, bacon, as well as two of my other favourite foods in the world, peanut butter and barbecue sauce. And let's not forget my first favourite food in the world, butter. They told me I should whip up a peanut butter, barbecue sauce and bacon toasted sandwich and give it a go. So today, Bella and Mia, that's exactly what I'm doing. The baconarianists will love it. Let's start making it. Alright, well that bacon looks really well done. There's heaps of fat in there. I should use that fat and keep it in there to cook the toasted sandwiches. I'm going to also be adding butter to the bread. Anyway, let's start doing that. Remember, whenever you're making a toasted sandwich, butter the outside of the bread. Gee, that's a lot of butter. It's almost too much. Said no one ever. So I'll just do a quick butter spread on the outside of the bread. This is my mouth, it's on my head. I'm a poet, aren't I? And turn that over. Who's been eating this? They put a nice layer there, but cut away a shelf. So interesting, isn't it, how people spread things? They're either jaggers who just dig and ruin, or they're nice people who leave nice flat tops on things. Which person are you? I know I'm a flat topper. Are you a digger? Are you a scraper? Let me know down below. So we'll spread some peanut butter on here. When I was younger, we used to call it peanut paste. I still do call it peanut paste. So we got the peanut paste, aka peanut butter. So let's spread some barbecue sauce on. And next, let's add on the bacon. I made it crispy for all you people that like crispy bacon. I like crispy bacon. I also like uncooked bacon. I also like chicken. And I just saved a little bit just to make sure it tastes like bacon. Anyway, put the frying pan back on the heat and let's start frying this up. Now Bella and Mia, your father Paul reckons that you love this sandwich and I'm really looking forward to it. Oh, hurry up and cook. Hurry up and cook. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Now apparently this sandwich is recommended by cardiologists all around the world as well. I can see why too. With all those good proteins in there. Oh yeah. Oh yum. I'd say it's time to dive on in. Oh, I can't wait. Let's slice this open. Well, it just looks like a bit of bacon sandwich, doesn't it? Alright, well I can't wait to try this. Smells pretty average. Whatever you do, don't smell it. Let's go. The peanut butter complements the barbecue sauce, and of course the barbecue sauce always complements the bacon. It's a pretty good sandwich. If you like peanut butter, if you like bacon, give it a go. I'm sure you'll like it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to finish this sanger off, and I'll see you next time for my next recipe right here on Greg's Kitchen. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made a peanut butter, bacon and barbecue sauce sandwich. Sent it to me from Bella